Have you ever wondered how many cruise missiles China can produce in a day? As we delve into the world of military manufacturing, this question might have crossed your mind. It's an intriguing thought, stirring curiosity about the capabilities of one of the world's leading nations. Well, brace yourself for the revelation. The answer might surprise you. It's a staggering 1,000 cruise missiles per day. China's ability to produce 1,000 cruise missiles per day is no small feat. To truly appreciate the magnitude of this accomplishment, let's delve into the concept of mass production. Mass production, originally known as the American system, revolutionized the manufacturing industry in the late 18th century. By dividing labor into specific, repetitive tasks and utilizing assembly lines, manufacturers could produce goods at an unprecedented scale and speed. This system was the spark that ignited the Industrial Revolution, bringing about a new era of economic prosperity. Fast forward to the 21st century, and we find China at the forefront of this manufacturing methodology. The nation has not only adopted the principles of mass production but has also refined and enhanced them. This mastery has given China an edge in various sectors, not least of which is the military industry. China's military production capabilities are truly awe-inspiring. The country's ability to churn out 1,000 cruise missiles in a single day speaks volumes about its manufacturing prowess. This is not a simple assembly line we're talking about. It's a complex high-tech operation that requires precision, coordination, and a deep understanding of the art of mass production. The process begins with raw materials, which are shaped, processed, and assembled into the final product. But it's not just about the physical process, it's also about planning, logistics, and quality control. Every step is meticulously planned and executed, with constant monitoring to ensure the highest standards are maintained. China's success in mass production is not just about quantity, but also quality. The country has developed stringent quality control measures to ensure that every missile it produces meets the highest standards. This attention to detail and commitment to excellence is what sets China apart in the world of mass production. So, as we marvel at China's ability to create 1,000 cruise missiles per day, let's also appreciate the art and science behind this achievement. It's a testament to the country's industrial strength, technological prowess, and strategic foresight. With such a massive output, one might wonder, how do they manage it all? The secret lies in China's mega factories. It's here that the magic of mass production unfurls, creating a constant stream of cruise missiles ready for deployment. Let's talk about scale first. The vastness of these factories is truly awe-inspiring. Picture a manufacturing space so large that it could easily encompass several football fields. Inside, the production lines stretch out as far as the eye can see, a testament to the enormity of China's missile production capacity. The sophistication of these factories is another crucial aspect. This isn't your traditional assembly line. The factories utilize advanced technologies and automated systems that are meticulously designed and highly precise. Each missile component is assembled with surgical precision, ensuring the highest level of quality and reliability. Efficiency is the name of the game in these mega factories. From the moment raw materials enter the factory to the time a finished cruise missile rolls off the production line, each step is calibrated for maximum productivity. The factories are designed to minimize waste and optimize resource use, allowing for the production of 1,000 cruise missiles per day. But it's not just about speed and volume, there's a certain artistry at play here. It's in the seamless choreography of man and machine, the synchrony of moving parts, and the rhythm of production that never misses a beat. It's a performance of industrial prowess that is as fascinating as it is formidable. These factories are more than just buildings. They are complex ecosystems, each part intricately connected to the next, working together to produce a product of immense power and complexity. They are a testament to human ingenuity and technological advancement, a symbol of China's rising power on the global stage. These factories are the backbone of China's missile production, but what about the manpower behind it? The human element is equally important in this grand scheme of things, and that's what we'll dive into next. It takes a dedicated and skilled workforce to maintain such a high level of production. Imagine the magnitude of effort required to produce 1,000 cruise missiles each day. This isn't a task for a few dozen people. It demands the attention and commitment of a large, dedicated workforce. China's workforce is a formidable entity. Comprised of millions of individuals, it's a powerhouse of skill, determination, and relentless drive. With a tradition of discipline and a culture that values hard work, This workforce is the backbone of China's mass production capabilities. But it's not just about the numbers. The quality of the workforce is equally, if not more, important. Each worker involved in the production of these cruise missiles is highly trained and specialized. From the engineers who design the missiles to the technicians who assemble them, every individual is a master of their craft. This level of expertise ensures that each missile is produced to the highest standards of precision and quality. The workforce's dedication is another crucial factor. They don't just clock in and clock out, they are committed to their roles, understanding the importance of their work in the larger context. This dedication is what allows them to maintain the staggering output of 1,000 cruise missiles every day. Yet, it's not all about the work. China also prioritizes the welfare of its workers. The country has made significant strides in improving working conditions and providing social security to its employees. This care for the workforce not only ensures their well-being but also fuels their motivation to strive for excellence. Without this dedicated and skilled workforce, the production of 1,000 cruise missiles each day wouldn't be possible. They are the heart and soul of China's mega-mass production manufacturing, working tirelessly to keep the wheels of production turning. Now, let's look at the technology that makes this all possible. Advanced technology is a key component in China's missile production. We're diving into a world where machines whir and buzz with life, a world of automation, robotics, and artificial intelligence. These aren't just fancy buzzwords, they're at the heart of China's mammoth missile production. Let's start with automation. Picture this, a production line where human hands are noticeably absent. Instead, machines perform complex tasks with a precision no human could match. They assemble, inspect, and package missiles all around the clock without fatigue. This relentless efficiency is a cornerstone in producing a staggering 1,000 cruise missiles every single day. Now imagine robots, not the kind from science fiction, but industrial robots. These mechanical marvels, guided by complex algorithms, perform tasks ranging from welding to materials handling. They're faster, more accurate, and can work in conditions that would be hazardous to humans. This is robotics in action, working in perfect harmony to keep the production line humming. But what about artificial intelligence? Here's where it gets interesting. AI is like the brain of the operation. It controls and coordinates the automated processes and robots, optimizing workflows and making real-time decisions based on a plethora of data. It's the maestro conducting an orchestra of machines, ensuring each note, or in this case each missile, is perfect. What's more, AI is a learning system. It constantly evolves, improving efficiency, reducing errors, and increasing production rates. In fact, it's this adaptive learning that allows for such a mind-boggling production volume. And let's not forget about additive manufacturing, more commonly known as 3D printing. This technology has revolutionized production, allowing for rapid prototyping, cost-effective customization, and a significantly reduced waste. So, there you have it. A glimpse into the technological symphony that enables China to churn out 1,000 cruise missiles a day. From automation to AI, each piece of tech plays its part in this incredible production feat. So we've seen the how, but what about the why? Why does China produce 1,000 cruise missiles per day? This question, seemingly straightforward, is steeped in layers of geopolitical strategy and military doctrine. At the heart of this mass production lies a concept as old as civilization itself: deterrence. By maintaining a formidable arsenal, China sends a clear message to the world. Any aggression will be met with overwhelming force. This strategy, while seemingly aggressive, is actually rooted in the pursuit of peace. It's based on the belief that the best way to prevent conflict is by making the cost of initiating it prohibitively high. But there's more to it than just deterrence. This staggering production rate is also a testament to China's military power. It's a display of strength, an assertion of technological prowess, and a reflection of the country's industrial capabilities. Moreover, it is a tool for geopolitical influence. As one of the world's major powers, China is constantly engaged in a delicate balancing act, trying to assert its interests while navigating the complex web of international relations. A formidable missile arsenal provides leverage in these negotiations, bolstering China's position on the global stage. All these factors combine to drive China's missile production. It's a complex interplay of defense strategy, power projection, and geopolitical maneuvering. While the motivations are complex, the impact on the global stage is clear. China's ability to produce 1,000 cruise missiles per day has significant implications. Indeed, the repercussions of this mass production reverberate far beyond the borders of the Middle Kingdom. The balance of power on the global stage is shifting. With this level of production, China is not just a player but a game changer in international relations. The world's superpowers are forced to reassess their strategies and alliances, as the age-old arms race is infused with new vigor. The implications for global security are profound. With 1,000 cruise missiles being produced daily, the deterrent factor is immense. It's a stark reminder of the power of advanced technology and mass production when harnessed for military might. In conclusion, China's mass production of cruise missiles is a testament to their industrial prowess and strategic planning. The world watches and waits as China churns out 1,000 cruise missiles per day. The question is, what's next?